Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Datsun 1200 Sport Coupe GX Fastback, also known as a B110 and a Sunny around the world. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one was restored. It had some nice Hallobrand style wheels on it. Gave it a nice look with the tinted windows and bright orange paint. This was part of the North American version, which was sold 1971 through 1973 in U.S. and Canada. And they sold 133,000 of them in those three model years. And I guess there were 89,541 coupes like this one. And then two-door sedans were 43,761. It was actually the most fuel-efficient vehicle sold in the U.S. According to the EPA in 1973. It was rated at 28.7 miles per gallon, which is interesting. And I guess that was from a 69 horsepower engine with 70 pounds-feet of torque. So not going to win any drag races with that guy, but you'll pass a lot of gas stations, which is important today, especially with the $7, $8 gallon gas in California. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1972 Datsun 1200 Sport Coupe Sunny GX B110 Fastback that was restored. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.